The Tower of London is one of the UK's most iconic landmarks, located on the north bank of the River Thames in central London. Founded by William the Conqueror in 1066, the tower has served as a royal palace, fortress, prison, and treasury over the centuries. The White Tower, built between 1078 and 1100, is the oldest part and a classic example of Norman military architecture. The tower is famous for housing the crown jewels and being the site of many significant historical events, including the imprisonment of notable figures like Anne Boleyn. Today, the Tower of London is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a major tourist attraction, offering a glimpse into England's royal and medieval history. The Tower of London's deep-rooted history and its pivotal role in British culture make it a symbol of the United Kingdom's rich and often tumultuous past.